Dva jedna.
Hello, welcome on my presentation about plastic water bottles. I suppose everybody here are familiar with these types of plastic water bottles. So please let me ask you, how often do you drink from the plastic water bottles? Like once per day or more than once per day?
More than once.
Oh, and have you ever realized that you might be in a danger just because you want to live healthy?
Never.
Never. Well then, thanks to this presentation, you will find out that there's a really big danger from these plastic water bottles. So, firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Sonia Kislingova, and I'm going to speak about the danger of plastic water bottles. You might ask, why me? It is just because I'm really interested in the healthy lifestyle, and I found out so many information about plastic water bottles, which I want to share with you. So let's first with the first slide. Okay, let's start with the common sentence: water bottles are bad. I will explain you why. It is just because they cause a serious health impact on each body. They cause a serious environmental impact, and water bottles are such a big waste. Okay, let's continue. Firstly, the personal health. We have four components which leach from the plastic water bottles, and first of the component is, as you see here, is DEHA. Okay, DEHA is a component from the plastic water bottle, from the PET bottles, and this component leach carcinogen into the water. This DEHA causes cancer, also problems with immune system, with nervous system, also problems with liver, kidneys, also with reproduction system, and so many other health problems. So let's go next to another, which is dioxins. Dioxins are the group of the chemicals formed by the combustion process, such as burning fuels and incinerating waste. Another is such a very well-known bisphenol A, so-called BPA, which causes neurological and behavioral problems. BPA causes mimics the female hormone estrogen, and also this BPA causes cancer and problems with brain, breast, prostate and female reproductive system, and also with the problems with the immune system. The BPA is such as bad as it is banned in USA. BPA cannot be used in the plastic baby bottles. Also, BPA is really extremely dangerous while the plastic water bottles are exposed on the sun or on the frost. Okay, so how do you like so far the presentation?
It's really good.
Yeah, okay, thank you for
really interesting
for the friendly answer. So let me continue with another slide. The last part of the dangerous part from the plastic water bottles are phthalates. These phthalates disrupt testosterone and other hormones. They mostly occurs in bottles stored for the longer time, and they may came from the plastic cap. So they came from this plastic cap. It is interesting that it is not only from the plastic water bottle, but also this cap leaches the dangerous parts into the water or into the food. So what is really interesting data is that there are no legal limits for phthalates in bottled water, and on the other hand, the water from the tap has such as many limitations about the phthalates. So here is another reason why to drink the tap water. Okay, let's continue. This is something like advertisement. So let me tell you that the plastic soda bottles and even plastic salad dressing containers could all contain elevated phthalates if they are stored in a warm warehouse for a month or for longer. So let me explain that you might bought brand new bottled water from the store, and you might think that oh, it's okay because it is new and I never used it. But the thing is that this bottled water was already stored maybe for months in some warehouse. So you never know what you are going to drink. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. This is another point of the why are plastic bottles dangerous. It is because they cause such a big waste. You know, like tap water is cleaner than the bottled water. It is because the tap water is tested more frequently. So it is simply the waste of money and the resources to purchase bottled water. I think it is easier to go to the kitchen and drink the water than to go to the store and purchase bottled water, which contains the dangerous parts. Okay, so here we can see that, for example, this unknown mineral water is from the tap water, and people just buy it and pay a lot more than they would go to the kitchen and have a tap water. Okay, I would like to tell you that 1.5 million barrels of oil per year is equal to satisfy USA consumption of plastic water bottle, which is enough to fuel 100,000 of cars per year. Also, it is important to say that the huge amount of energy is wasted just to transport the bottled water from the warehouse to the stores, from stores to the customers. It's such a waste of energy. The last point of my presentation is environmental impact. It is because the plastic water bottles are unable to biodegrade. So let me tell you that around the size of the Texas is the amount of bottles in the Pacific Ocean. So let me show you that. Imagine that this is all the plastic waste, yeah? And here we have a map of USA, and you can see that the size of Texas is now in the Pacific Ocean, and it's full of the plastic water bottles garbage. Okay, let me continue. 4 out of 5 bottles end up in the landfill, and 86% of plastic water bottles became garbage. So most of the people buy the plastic bottle just once, use it once, and then they put it into the garbage, and the environmental problem is here. Well, So let me say what to do, what to not do. Do not reuse plastic bottle. Do not drink from plastic bottle which you already left in the car. Do not put plastic bottle into the microwave. And do not keep plastic bottle on the sun or on the frost. Okay, so here is a little summary. So let me tell you that the plastic is a non-renewable resource. Plastic does not biodegrade, and the worst information is that the plastic contains carcinogens. So I hope you learned a little bit from my presentation. And let me tell you some options which you can do, which you can use to drink instead from the plastic water bottles. So you can use glass or ceramic vessels. You can use also stainless steel bottles, which can also replace plastics. So let's drink from non-plastic vessels. And thank you for the for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. And if you have any questions, I'm here to answer it. So thank you very much one more time, and I enjoyed it.